Well, guys, yep, I didn't expect this to be here today, but does this car look familiar? We got white on this side, black on this side. We got G35 Panda himself. I'm just kidding. I know you don't like it when I say that, but a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me recently, actually, and telling me where's the old homie at? Does he still have his BMW? Well, here he is, guys. He's gonna be back in the videos, and he has an HR swap. Holy shit. Painted engine bay. So just so you guys know, pretty much my old front end with the GT3 front bumper, the wide body front fenders, that's all gonna be going on. And then we're gonna be cutting this up as well in this video. And pretty much we're gonna be yeet all of that, and we're gonna be slapping on the rear wide body. That's most likely gonna be a two-part video, 2-3-part video. Main thing in this video is tomorrow, because as you guys saw, it's raining and it's wet outside, raining and dark outside, I meant to say. So in this video tomorrow, we're gonna come out and we're gonna be pretty much cutting out the fenders, getting that all done. And then he'll probably be taking this thing home, and then from there he'll bring it back, and then another video will be pretty much molding on the rear wide body. So I'm gonna have to pretty much get started by unwrapping, or at least, you know, cutting out. I can just cut it since the wide body is gonna be covering everything anyways. But yes sir, HR swap. Jeez, man. Mishimoto radiator, Mishimoto hose lines. Well, we got K&N intake. Damn, it looks solid. Painted engine bay red. Yeah, it looks good. This looks brand new. Oh yeah, it does, because I think he needed a new one of these. Yeah. So there it is. want to see you.
Nah, let me get this reaction real quick. Come on, man.
Look who's here, guys. A lot of you guys have been commenting. Look who it is. Yee! And the only reason why he's here is because his car's here. That's it. He don't care about us no more.
Alright, now we're back. Cut scene. Time to look at my car for the first time. I'm fucking stoked. Let's go.
Alright, so you know it's not done or anything.
Oh yeah, for sure. I know it's nowhere near that.
Okay. So that's
Damn. Holy fuck, dude, this is my car. Damn. Oh my god, bro. Yo.
Oh, you haven't even seen the motor, huh? In person.
I haven't even driven the car or nothing.
Dude, it's stupid fucking loud. I would give you a startup, but my parent or my neighbors.
Dude. Fuck, bro. Dude, it's already good. Like,
well, no, it's the bumper. Everything needs to be actually mocked up. Dude, you have one bolt. See, this has to be done, and
oh yeah, that's why it looks like.
And then yeah, oh, and it's been sitting outside for a while, as you can tell. So
it's gonna get wrapped anyway.
But the bumper needs to be fitted up properly. Wow. That's just taped on.
I know, yeah, just to kind of. Dude, this car's gonna be fucking hard. It's gonna be like your old car.
Pretty much. Yeah.
The bumper's only gonna be different, but.
Are you putting the same side skirts back on?
Yeah.
Same side skirts?
Yeah. It's probably the only thing that's gonna be different from your old one.
Yeah.
That's the side skirts. And then the wheels, of course. The wheels, I got some motherfucking LXZs on the way. Fucking super stoked. I'm probably gonna still do the tire lettering. I just gotta get the fitment on point. I got the extended studs. Maybe might have to put some spacers on just so my lip sits right on the fender. Yeah. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's a lot of room to cover.
Dude, look.
That shit looks like buck tooth, huh?
It's tucking though so hard.
Yeah, it's aired out, bro. I mean, can we at least air up and air it out? Yeah, right? Because Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is fun. So a little bit.
Alright guys, we're gonna give him a little startup so he can hear it.
Him and his girl. Ah, fuck, you gotta start it up. Hold on.
Literally for like 5 seconds though.
She's babysitting till 11. Wait, hold on. No, he's gonna start it up. He's gonna start it up. That's just hard as fuck, nigga. Look, damn.
It's just funny, nigga. Like, what the fuck?
I did a whole ass HR swap. Look. Damn. This is hard. I'm not gonna lie. That shit is. It sounds different. Way different than it does with a G35.
Yeah.
Tell them. Hop on the vlog. Hold on. Hop on the vlog.
So
Yo, what's good, people, to the vlog? Tomorrow we're having a show. Pull up, Corona. I don't know, that's about it.
Hey, but I'm down though. I'm down. What?
Alright guys, so that's gonna go ahead and do it for today. Got a lot done. Got both cut, fiberglass. We still gotta do some work there, but we'll go ahead and take care of that in the next video. Got the whole front end on.
Shut up and subscribe. Everybody shut up and subscribe.